Okay, I just got this on my front step. This is Amazon DE order, and this is what I'm worried about. That's not good. Oh man, this one is not very well packed. It's ripped here. It's basically almost open. Okay, all right. Everything's in it. Nothing was lost. I was worried that this was going to be a real interesting box opening, and everything was going to be missing. So basically, these are entirely plastic. That's my understanding. This is completely plastic. Wow. I gotta say, it's a lot stronger than I was expecting for plastic. Wow. Okay. Interesting. So yeah, now I got something I can grab onto live power wires with, right? Yeah. Okay. This one's a little more flexy, but these are Knipex. These are completely insulated plastic pliers. So I got those, and then I got the this is the loose pack, the bulk packaging. I got a good price on this. On this Wiha Professional Z18005-200 with the power lock button. I gotta say, why do I see a small amount of rust in there? So you push that and it changes the leverage. Okay, that's interesting. Then I'm supposed to be able to push it back. So when I have it closed, the button doesn't quite actuate. I have to loosen the jaw a little bit, then it actuates. Same with this side. If I'm holding it closed, the button doesn't actuate. I gotta open the jaw a little bit. So, a little more fidgety than I thought it would be, but okay, it says Wiha Tools Germany, but is this made in Germany? So I got the Knipex soft jaws for this pliers. Get concerned about cutting myself on this stuff. So, well, that's a nice surprise. I thought there was only going to be one pair in here. Actually, there's different sizes. Is that because the little ones go on the bottom? Yeah, that must be it. So the large ones go on the top. So there's 3 pairs. Wow, those don't seem to really fit like I would have thought. What is going on? That is not fitting on there the way that I thought it would. It's not going to the end. Wow, what in the world? Is it not made for this pliers? For the 8605-250, 86-250. Okay, that should be correct then. So a large one on the top, small one on the bottom. But it doesn't really seem to fit that well. Man. I mean, it sort of fits, but that is not the quality I was expecting. I mean, I guess it fits, but why does that seem off? Don't know what to think about the soft jaws. And then I got this. And the funny thing is, I got this from Germany specifically for some tools that I got from Japan. And all it is a handle that accepts recip blades so that you can have a handle for recip blades. All right, so it's let's see here. Okay, well, this is interesting. This seems like it's pretty good. Let's see here. So we go like this. Okay, so does it just clamp it, or does it use the does it use the dot, or is it just a friction clamp? I don't really feel a detent on that dot, but I mean, it clamps down on it really hard. Now, okay, why did I get this? Of these Japanese recip blades that are basically made like thin kerf Japanese pull saws. And I thought, hey, these blades are so nice that if I get this Bosch handle, basically I've got myself a nice Japanese pull saw. Because, yeah, let's go like this. Oh man, it's so aggressive. This blade is so unbelievably aggressive. It's hard to use it manually. Wow. That's wow, that is an aggressive blade. You know what though? This handle works really well, actually. Yeah. Nice edge on that. And that's from this is a pruning blade, Japanese pruning blade for trees and shrubs. But it's made like a thin kerf Japanese pull saw. All right, well, that Bosch handle I think is going to work as intended. Interesting. I mean, it's built a little bit lighter than I thought. I mean, it feels hollow, but you know, when I had the blade in it and I was cutting, it felt strong. So interesting. What do we got here? Storage. Oh, that's interesting. For 6-inch blades. So it'll fit 6-inch blades in there. Interesting. Forgot the rest of it. Okay, so this is a 2608 000-495-879. Made in China. So it's made in China. That's probably why it feels a little cheapy. So then that probably means that you can find these on, I don't know, AliExpress, maybe rebranded, maybe? I don't know. I'll have to see now that I know this is made in China. There's probably a lot of knockoffs of this kind of thing. Anyway, so that's my most recent German tool haul for 2020. And what are we? Beginning of February 2020. Thanks for watching.